All right, welcome back, everybody. The time now is 6:14 on our Tuesday morning. I'm Meteorologist Jeremiah Stewart coming at you this morning with your weather headlines, and we're calling for a beautiful forecast for our Tuesday. Going to warm up kind of slowly but surely as we have low humidity. Dry air tends to kind of warm up faster than moist air. Going to have low dew points for the next few days, but later on this weekend, approaching this weekend, we're going to be closely monitoring this system into the eastern Pacific. Right now, it's a very kind of sloppy looking system, and it's just a tropical depression, but soon to become a tropical storm. That'll definitely bring in some moisture and also kind of bring in those scattered rain chances back in our forecast as we head into the first weekend of September. Out the door, though, for this morning, we're having no concerns. It feels wonderful out there. Temperatures in the 60s, right around 65 into downtown San Angelo with mainly clear skies. This is a really nice feel out there for our Tuesday morning. As you can see here, looking at radar and satellite imagery, not a drop of rainfall in our area, just a few of these passing clouds here and there. And if you want to find the rainfall, really most of it's well off to the north and off to the east of our area, up towards Minnesota and kind of into Missouri and Arkansas, spreading into Mississippi and Alabama. There's our front from this past weekend, kind of draped right into the northern Gulf, kind of kicking off some of those showers and storms. That'll stay well south and east of our area, with most of it staying dry really all week long here in western Texas. Certainly dry across most of the state for this morning. 59 degrees right now into Amarillo, 73 into Dallas, and I'll say 75 right now into Houston, but 81 down towards the coastal bend into Corpus Christi. All of it's going to be toasty for today, forecasting lower to middle 90s. Spots in the 80s though, right around 89 up towards Tatum, New Mexico. About 95 this afternoon into Crane. Going about say 93 degrees into San Angelo. Abilene should get to about 92 when all is said and done by this afternoon. And beautiful weather, lots of sunshine, just a few passing clouds here and there. Those winds today coming in out the north and east, so it's going to feel nice and not very muggy out there for our Tuesday. Looking quiet, but as we go into our Wednesday, I do think we'll see a couple of scattered showers try to move into southeastern New Mexico, but most of West Texas just going to be dry and quiet as we go throughout much of this week. Going to be a beautiful week for sure. Here's the latest on Tropical Depression number 12, though, soon to become Tropical Storm Lorena. You can see here, it's a very large system. It's got a lot of moisture with it, but it looks very sloppy and disorganized. Going to try to move off to the north and west slowly but surely, and then kind of curve off to the north and east, trying to sling some moisture into our direction as we head into Sunday and Monday. So we'll be watching that closely. Potential for some rainfall heading into the weekend. But for tonight, if you have any plans for this evening, really a lovely evening to go out and be outside, 65 degrees. So a little bit below normal with those lows tonight. And that full 7-day forecast sticks with the beautiful weather, upper 60s and lower 70s for those lows and middle to upper 90s for highs as we go into the second half of the work week. But notice this weekend, rain chances creep back in slowly but surely, a 10% on Friday, up to about a 20% shot on our Saturday and about a 20 to 30% shot as we go into Sunday. So nothing too widespread, and we're not expecting any washouts at this point, but definitely going to lead to some slightly cooler weather, forecasting highs right around 87 on Sunday and about 89 by the time we get into next Monday.